Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are streaming from. And I want to specially welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Leo Steven, and this is Music Class with Leo Steven. I'm still on the series I titled The Easiest Approach to Learning All Your Keys on the Piano. Previously, we learned the major and minor chords, and I explained how you can generate the two chords. The major, which consists of your root, your major third, and your major fifth, and minor, which consists of your root, the minor third, and the major fifth. And I went further to explain how you can, the difference between your major and minor, which is the third note being reduced by a semitone. So if you miss a class, you can go through my channel. It's still there. Go and watch it so you can catch up with us. So today I'm still on the same topic called the major and minor chord. But today I'm going to be teaching you the sequence of chord on all the 12 keys. The sequence of chords on all the 12 keys. Now, the rule says your one chord must be major, your two chord must be minor, your three chord must be minor, your four chord must be major, your five chord must be major, your six chord must be minor, and your seventh chord must be diminished. I'm not going to be talking about diminished now because we are only treating major and minor chords. And don't forget, I told you maybe in the previous class that there are still other advanced chords, diminished, augmented, 13th chord, 11, raised 9, raised 5, suspended, and stuff like that. But now we are only learning the elementary types of chord that is referred to as triad, 3-note chord, and it is only major and minor chords we are learning now. So subsequent classes, I will still be learning all those advanced chords, but for now, major and minor chords. So diminished is not part of it, so we only treat the major and the minor. So the rule says your one must be major, your two must be minor, your three must be minor, your four must be major, your five must be major, and your six must be minor. Then your seventh diminished. I don't need diminished, so I'm going to be stopping at 6. Somebody is already asking, what is he talking about? 1, 2, 3, blah, blah. Is it the same your major scale I'm referring to? Your major scale, your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Sorry, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So your 1 is your do, your 2 is your re, your 3 is your mi, your 4 is your fa, your 5 is your so, your 6 is your la, your 7 is your ti. So that is what I'm referring to. So your 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your 1, your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your 1 is your major, your 2 is your minor, your 3 minor, your 4 major, your 5 major, your 6 minor. So there are 3 majors, 3 minors. Your 1, 4, and 5 are major chords, while your 2, 3, and 6 are minor chords. That is the rule on all the 12 keys. As elementary triad chords are concerned, your 3-note chord, I'm not talking about advanced chord, I'm talking about your major, minor, triad chord. So you have 3 major chords, which is your root, which is your 1, 4, and 5. Your minor chord, your 2, 3, and 6. So let's start with the key of C. Your key C must be major, 1. Then the 2 must be minor. This is D major chord, but we don't need D major chord. We have to bring the third note down to make it minor. Our 3 must be minor. This is E major. We don't need E major. We need to bring the third note down to make it minor. So this is our E minor chord. And our F major must be major. Our F must be major, which is 4. Then our 5 must be also major. You don't need it minor. If you want it minor, we just drop the third note, but it has to be major. Major. Then our 6 is major. This is A major, but we don't need A major. We have to drop the third note to make it minor. So we have 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, then 6 minor on all the 12 keys. That is how it is. So your C major chord consists of your C, E, and G, which is your 1. Then your D minor consists of your, which is the 2 for the key of C major. So your D, F, A is your 2 on the key of C. Then your 3 is E, which is E, G, B, E minor chord. Your 4 is your F major chord, which is F, A, C, F major chord. Your 5 is G major chord, which is your G, B, and D, G major chord. Then your 6 is your A minor chord, which is your A, C, E, must be minor chord. So we have major, minor, minor, major, major, and minor. On the key of C sharp, the C sharp must be major, which is your C sharp, the F, and G sharp. I've taught this. I've taught all of this. You can check. You can scroll down the channel. You see it there. So the C sharp, the F, and G sharp is your 1 on the key of F sharp. On the key of C sharp. Then the 2 is E flat. Is D sharp or E flat, whichever way. But on the key of C sharp, we have to be using sharp. So D sharp, we don't need major of this. It has to be minor. So the minor is the E flat, D sharp, then the F sharp, the A sharp is our 2 on the key of C sharp. 1 C sharp, then 2 is D sharp minor. Then the 3 must be minor, which is F minor. Don't forget, on the key of C, we make F our major because it's the 4th of C, but now it's the 3rd of C sharp. So we make it minor. Then our F sharp, which is the 4, must be major, F sharp major. Then our G sharp, which is the 5, must also be major. Major. Our 6, which is A sharp, must be minor. So we have 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, then 6 minor. Major, minor, minor, major, 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 and minor. On the key of D, D is our 1 and must be major. Then E is our 2, must be minor. F sharp is our 3, must be minor. On the key of C sharp, it was 4. So we play major. But now it's 3 to the key of D, so it has to be minor. So we have major, minor, then minor, which is our 3rd, F sharp minor. Then G must be major because that's the 4. Then our A must be major. Then our B, which is the 6th, must be minor on the key of D. So major, minor, minor, major, major, and minor on the key of D. Then on the key of E flat, 1 must be major. Our 2 is F, must be minor. Our 3 is G, must be minor. Our 4 is A flat, must be major. Our 5 is B flat, must be major. Then our 6 is C, must be minor. Don't forget the rule. Major, minor, minor, major, major, and minor. Your 1 must be major, your 2 must be minor, your 3 must be minor, your 4 must be major, your 5 must be major, and your 6 must be minor. On the key of E, 1 we have major. 1 must be major. Your 2 is F sharp, it was a minor. Then G sharp is the 3, must be minor. Then our A is 4, must be major. Our 5 is B, must be B major. Then our 6 is C sharp, must be minor. So we have major, minor, minor, major, major, and minor. On the key of F, our F must be F major. Then your 2 is G, must be G minor. Your 3 is A, must be A minor. Your 4 is B flat, must be B flat major. Your 5 is C, must be C major. Your 6 is D, must be D minor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 must be major, 2 must be minor, 3 must be minor, 4 must be major, 5 must be major, then 6 must be minor. That's on the key of F. On the key of F sharp, our 1 must be major. Our 2, which is a G sharp, must be minor. Our 3, which is A sharp, must be minor also. Then our 4, which is B, must be major. Then our 5 is C sharp, must be major also. Then our 6, which is D sharp, must be minor. So we have major, we have minor, we have major, minor, then minor, then major, then major, then minor. On the key of F sharp. On the key of G, our 1 is G and must be major. Our 2 is A, must be A minor. Our 3 is B, must be B minor. Our 4 is C, must be C major. Then our 5 is D, must be D major. Our 6 is E, must be E minor. So we have major, minor, minor, major, major, then minor on the key of G. Then on the key of A flat, our 1 must be major. Then our 2 must be minor, which is B flat minor. Our 3 must be minor, which is C minor. Our 4 must be major, which is D flat major. Then our 5 must be major, which is E flat major. Then our 6 must be minor, which is F minor. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, then we have 6. We have major, minor, minor, major, major, then minor. Then on the key of A, our A must be major. 1, which is 1, it must be major. Then our 2, which is B, must be minor. Our 3, which is C sharp, must be minor. Our 4, which is D, must be major. E is our 5, must be major. Our 6 is F sharp, must be minor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is major, minor, minor, major, major, and minor on the key of A. Then on the key of B flat, our B flat must be major. Then our C, which is 2, must be minor. Our D, which is 3, must be minor. Our E flat, which is 4, must be major. Our F, which is 5, must be major. Then our G, which is 5, which is 6, sorry, must be minor. So we have 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, then 6 minor. And the last key, which is B, our B must be major, which is 1. Let me play it here. Let me play it, at the lower pitch. So our B must be major. Then our C sharp, which is the 2, must be minor. Our D sharp, which is 3, must be minor. Our E is 4, must be major. Our F sharp is 5, must be major. Our G sharp is the 6, must be minor. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, then we have 6. So those are the major and minor chords on all the 12 keys. That is the sequence, and that is the formula. Your 1 must be major, your 2 must be minor, your 3 must be minor, your 4 must be major, your 5 must be major, and your 6 must be minor. So somebody is asking, what am I going to be playing on the left hand when I'm playing my chords on the right hand? I have 2 options for you, or probably 3. But as a beginner, I have 2 options for you, which is you play the same thing you are playing on the right hand, you play on the left hand. This is C major chord. You play the same C major chord on the left hand. On the left hand. So D minor chord, E minor chord, F major chord, G major chord, then A minor chord. So the same thing on C sharp, F sharp major chord, G sharp minor chord, then F minor chord, F sharp major chord, G sharp major chord, then B flat. No, and A sharp or B flat is the same thing. A sharp minor chord. So on D too, just the same way. D major chord, E minor chord, F sharp major chord, G major chord, A major chord, then B minor chord. The same way you play, just play the same thing on the same on both hands. Then another option is for you to play your root, only your root as a beginner, only your root. 1 chord, 2 chord, then 3 chord, then 4 chord, then 5 chord, then 5 chord, 6 chord, then back to 1 chord as a beginner. So as time goes on, this is another option. Although intermediate player and advanced players too, they play this way. Your root, let me play it here. Your root, then your 5th and the octave. So you can play like that. You can still play like that. Or let me play it. Or let me play it. So you can play your root, your 5th and the octave. So C major chord, D minor chord, E minor chord, F major chord, then G major chord, then A minor chord. Anyone that is convenient for you. This is how you play the chord, the full chord, the trial with both hands. Whichever way, or you just play only your root, only your root, or you play your root, your 5th, then and the octave. So that is it. Thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, to share with your friends, drop a comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe so you can get notified when I upload another video. And I promise you, I have a lot to teach you, as a beginner. And as you are building, I'm still going to be teaching you a lot of things. I'm telling you, a lot of things. So subscribe so you can get notified when I drop another video. Thank you so very much, and God bless you.